it's Emily, and today I am using a new backdrop. You should have seen my video last time where I set up this backdrop and rearranged my room, but if you haven't, go watch that in the corner. But anyways, today we're doing something that's very long overdue. I've been planning this video for a while and just haven't had the right time to be able to do it, and so I'm finally deciding to do it. So today we are going to become a Vsco girl, as slightly cringy as that sounds. So being like Vsco was a trend last year and over the summer, and then would have been a great time to film this video, but I just never got around to it, so we're doing it today instead. So anyways, I have gathered up all of the like Vsco related items, and I actually have like done this before but not for a video. So today we're just going to be doing it again, and we're going to be filming it. We're going to do some Vsco activities. Yeah, so let's start. First things first is the outfit, which is honestly the most important thing. So first I have this sweatshirt. I just got this at Target in the largest size possible because oversized like t-shirts and hoodies and things like that are very Vsco. So we have that, and then also like small black shorts, or like any color really, but the black ones mostly. Like athletic shorts that can't really be seen under the oversized hoodie are also Vsco. So this is my outfit, or the basis of it. And then of course I've got my knockoff Birkenstocks, also from Target. I've got a basket full of scrunchies to choose from. We're also going to do a messy bun. We're going to do some light Vsco makeup. I've got all my Pura Vida bracelets because that's also a thing, which is perfect because I'm a Pura Vida ambassador, so go use my code. The link will be in the description, but my code is EmilyLongenecker905. It'll be on the screen. I've also got a bunch of rings because these are like less of a thing, but they're kind of a thing, so I'm going to put them with my outfit. I've got a bunch of chokers, and I've got the cowrie shell necklace. Got a bunch of chapsticks, of course. We've got some Burt's Bees, Glossier, Sunbum. Those are very Vsco. I've also got two Polaroid cameras right here, as well as a bunch of Polaroid pictures. I don't know what we're doing with them, but we're probably going to be taking some Polaroids today because that's a Vsco activity. Of course, I can't forget my Kangen backpack and Hydro Flask. And almost last thing is Starbucks. I can't go to Starbucks right now because they're closed, but we can make our own thing in my reusable cup, which is also very Vsco. Last thing, I don't know if I'll use this today because I don't know what I'd use it for, but we've got my bamboo straw. Anyways, let's start putting together this outfit and change into my Vsco outfit. Okay, so we've got the basis of my outfit, and I don't think my oversized sweatshirt is long enough, but that's okay. Okay, let's put on the shoes. And let's choose some scrunchies because those are very, very necessary for this outfit. So I think maybe 3 is good, maybe more. I like these two. Probably want some blue to match. Okay, I've got 3 at the moment, which I think is good, and then I'm going to put a bunch of Pura Vida bracelets on this wrist. Okay, I've got all the bracelets on. Honestly, I think we need to put a scrunchie over here. Next, I'm going to put on all my rings. I have 7 of them because I like rings. Okay, I've got those on. Now necklaces. Okay, so I know I'm going to use the cowrie one because that's like the most Vsco. And then stars are good, and it also matches, so I'll go with that one, and then I'll try and find one more, I think. Okay, I think I'm also going to add this like holographic one. Okay, so I think that's good for that. What else? I think the next thing to do is choose a scrunchie to go in my hair. So I'm thinking we could match with the like blue. So I think this one's the move. And now we're going to do my hair in a loose, messy bun. Okay, this is probably the best we're gonna get. It's very messy, very loose, maybe not loose enough. My hair's like pretty long, so I don't know why it's not like poofing, but it's good. It's good enough. But I'm kind of feeling like I don't have enough scrunchies on my wrist. I think that's better. Okay, so I think the next thing to do would probably be makeup, which is a very like light makeup, focusing on like mascara, brows, and a very tiny bit of eyeshadow, a little bit of blush, and not a lot of foundation. So let's get to makeup. Okay, so I have all the makeup right in front of me, and the first step would be like foundation, but typically it's just a little bit of concealer or foundation mixed with moisturizer to make it super like light and sheer. So I'm going to mix these somehow. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I just have a tiny bit of foundation on. Typically you'd conceal just like the under eyes and then just do a tiny bit everywhere else. So yes, and I'm gonna like, I don't know what I'm doing with this moisturizer, but we're gonna do something with it. Okay, now I'm going in with the Beauty Blender and I'm mixing the moisturizer and the foundation together to make it sheer. Just gonna set that into place. Okay, so eyeshadow is supposed to be very, very light, so I'm literally just gonna go in with a transition shade on like my eyelid and like crease. Okay, now mascara is very important, so that's next. Okay, I'm gonna let the top lashes dry and then do the bottom lashes after I do my eyebrows. Brows are pretty important as well, so I'm just gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow because that's what I have. Okay, just a little bit of light pink blush. Highlighter is also pretty important, so we're doing that. Okay, lastly, I'm going to use my Burt's Bees chapstick on my lips. Okay, that is it for my makeup look, and honestly, I think now I just have to make some like at-home Starbucks coffee, maybe put some lemon water in my Hydro Flask, take some Polaroids, so let's get on with it. Okay, so my favorite drink at Starbucks is the iced matcha green tea latte. So I made myself an iced green tea latte. And it's pretty good. It doesn't exactly compare, but it's what we're working with. So anyways, I also filled my Hydro Flask with some lemon water, so let's taste that real quick. Can barely taste it, but it's fine. Okay, so now I think there's only one more thing to be done, which is, of course, a Vsco girl photo shoot. So let's go out with my backpack, with my tea, my Hydro Flask, and my Polaroid cameras, and go have a photo shoot. Okay everybody, so that is all for this little video. I didn't end up doing a photo shoot because I wanted to do a sunset one because that would be even more Vsco. But then like the sky was too cloudy and so that didn't happen. So yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching my video. Like, it's not that exciting, but thanks anyways. So anyways, like and subscribe if you like this video, and there's a bunch more content coming in the future. I post every Monday and Thursday, so subscribe to see that. Yeah, so anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye!